Food.
Learn numbers.
Number.
Oh, numbers. Okay.
Medyo na, ba't di mo papatulugin yan?
Zero.
Masayos naman ako.
10. 9. 8. 7.
6,
6.
5,
5. 4.
3,
3. 2.
2,
1,
1.
1,
1. 1.
1. Oh, yung food naman. Food. Learning food.
learn animals.
Animal.
Okay, animal. Sige. Up. No, you press food.
Learn animals.
Animal.
Learn objects.
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 Learn objects.
Objects. A.
Is for airplane.
Airplane. Airplane.
B
P.
is for book.
Board.
C
Ganado pa siya eh.
is for chair.
Chair.
May nasunog pala yung yung apartment nila Sister Lorna.
Door.
Door.
Ha?
E.
Is
Sa
for
building siguro
eraser.
nila. Ewan ko kung kanila ba yun.
Is for flower.
Flower.
G
May
G.
susunog ha.
glasses.
Pag nagawa na yung fire
H.
exit door
Is
dyan,
for
automatic
Yes.
siya magsasara yan pagka nag-alarm
Oy.
is
yung
for
ibig sabihin yung usok dito lang sa building. So, huwag kayo makipagsabayan na
G.
makikipag-unahan kayo lumabas doon. Ang
Jar.
gagawin nyo, buksan yung bintana, tapos itulak mo. Diyan na kayo dumani sa
is for
o kung sino man si Reno, si Arnold, ha?
E.